Yeah.
Okay, so let's describe this again. So everybody, what are adjectives? Do we know what adjectives are? Okay. Let's talk amongst ourselves. 15 seconds. Talk again about what you guys think adjectives are.
Adjectives are describing a noun.
Okay, everybody's good right now? Okay, quiet back down. Okay, listen. Now, since we kind of got a good idea of what they are, let's get a description. Go ahead, Alexia. What is the description?
Adjectives are describing nouns and pronouns.
Great job, great job. Now that we know that they describe nouns and pronouns, we got to know what nouns and pronouns are. Okay, so again, talk amongst yourself. What's the difference between a noun and a pronoun? Talk.
Noun is Billy, Bob.
3, 2, 1. Everybody good?
And then noun.
Okay, so let's talk, okay? Who knows the difference? Habiba?
A noun is a person, place, or thing, and pronoun is like he or she.
Correct. Okay, that's good too. Okay, a noun can be proper. That means we can have a specific person, like Josh, right? We could say Josh. But a pronoun is he. Okay, I could say everybody, I could say Mrs. Robertson's class, or I could refer to them as they, right? They. Okay, or them. So let's talk about adjectives again, back to the concept. Adjectives. Okay, adjectives describe nouns or pronouns, right? Everybody understand that? So the questions to ask are what kinds, which ones, and how many. Okay? An adjective. An adjective is an example of an adjective was like this. Say if we're describing a trail. You guys all been to trails, right?
Yeah.
Trails like say like Hart Park or
Yeah.
whatever, right?
Yeah.
So we could say that they're what? They're steepy, they're rocky, right?
Yes.
So we can describe them. And that's what kind of trail it is, right? That's
Yes.
describing the trail. We can also say which ones are they or what are they. We can explain what are they, like kind of, it's using a different thing, but we could say like those, right? When I say those people, okay, I'm describing what kind of people or which people. I'm saying those, specifically those, okay? I can also say how many. I could say 2 trails, okay? And next question I'm going to ask you guys is, with adjectives, when do they occur? Are they before or after the noun? Okay, raise your hand if you guys know. Okay, good job. Go ahead, Zachary.
It can be both.
It can be both.
What you're saying.
Yeah, good job. They can be both. If it's in front, though, it's hyphenated. You guys know what hyphens are, right?
Yep.
Okay, so let's work on adjectives together, okay? Let's take a couple minutes and let's work on it together. So, say if I'm describing me, how would I describe myself with adjectives? I'd say probably tall, right? First thing comes to mind, okay? I'd probably say nerdy sometimes, right? I could say better than Olivia at basketball. Just kidding. Okay? I'm just describing playing around, okay? Adjectives just describe the noun, okay? But I wouldn't use it in that context. So what I want you guys to do right now as a group is just share some adjectives about you guys' selves, okay? Give it 30 seconds, share some adjectives with your person across, with just about yourself. Go ahead. 30 seconds. Hater.
I'm better than everyone at soccer. That's guaranteed. I'm better than all you guys.
Okay, back to the concept, okay? Back to the concept. So what are some descriptions and adjectives we use to describe ourselves? Okay? Go ahead, Samantha.
I'm blonde.
You're blonde, good job. You could say blonde. Zachary,
I am skinny.
I am skinny. You're describing the noun is I, your pronoun's I. Good. And you're describing the adjective as skinny. Good. Okay. Olivia,
I am wavy.
I am wavy. Yeah, that's one. And what's cool what you guys are doing right now is all the descriptions are after our noun, right? So good job. Alexis,
I am tall.
I am tall. Great job. Okay, we'll do a couple more and then we will go on. Chloe, I am short. True. Go ahead, Elias. I am Mexican. That's actually a specific adjective. That's actually really good. Okay?
I'm
Good
Mexican
job.
too.
And you, good job. Okay. Anyway, let me introduce to you guys what we're going to do now, okay? So, do you guys remember how I told you guys all have groups, right?
Yeah.
It's pretty much those four. Elias, Alexis, you guys are going to be with Scott and Cicely, okay? You four are going to be a group, and you four in the back are going to be a group, okay? So it's going to be 4, 4, 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to play a game, okay? And I have the bags in the back, those Winco bags I brought for you guys, okay? Inside there's something. I'm going to have you guys describe it. So you guys are each going to get one piece of paper per group and describe what it is, okay? It's going to be a guessing game. So if the other teams can guess what's in the bag, I'll let you guys each get one that's in the bag. Each of that object that's in the bag, okay? So what I'm going to have you do is one person per group walk back there, grab one bag and one piece of paper, and we're going to describe, using adjectives, what's in the bag. Yes, you four. Only four. Only four. Per table. Per table. So we'll go ahead and walk quietly, guys. Remember, quietly through. If you guys have a piece of paper, you guys can write down what it is, and we will guess. You guys can look at it. Remember, with it, don't pull it out because you don't want the other groups to know. And the other thing is, hey, listen real quick. Eyes on me real quick. Everybody, eyes on me. So remember, when we do this, when we describe adjectives, we usually use our senses. And we know our senses, right? What are our senses? We have 5, right? We have 5 senses. Olivia?
Smell.
Smell is 1.
Hearing.
Hearing, that's fine.
Sight.
Sight,
Feeling.
touching, and what's the last one?
Smell.
Smell. Okay.
You already said that. That's
It's
4.
smell? Okay, I thought we did that one. Okay. Oh, taste. Yeah, taste. Okay, it was taste. But same thing. Okay, we got all 5 now. You guys can obviously do almost all those except pretty much smell and taste. Okay, so describe what's in there. Okay, go ahead and describe as a group. We'll do this for a couple minutes, then we will go on.
Oh.
Using adjectives, you guys write down some adjectives, and then we'll go on.
Alright. It's, you guys have to guess it, right?
Remember, use your guys' inside voices though as a group.
It's. Oh. I need someone's pencil. I need someone's pencil. I need someone's pencil.
I think it was like
Let me go first. Crunchy. Crunchy. You mean the wrapper or
At the end, you guys will get something.
or
At
like
the end, you guys will get something.
the cookie?
But you guys have to do your best to describe what items in there. Who? No. You guys are a group and you guys are all looking at it together. You guys are going to try to get the other groups to guess. Okay? That makes sense? So remember, you guys can all see it in the group, but the other groups cannot. Okay, after that, I'll collect your papers and we will go on to describe in a couple
Wait,
of
what
these.
group are we?
And then
What-
that's
what's our group
the
called?
parts. What?
What's our group called?
It doesn't matter. Just put your guys' name on there.
Alright, let's name our group.
Just put your name or put one person's name so we know because you guys are all sitting next to each other.
No, the name.
Hey Raven, in the dryer, I mean in the garage, you gotta wash it. You guys keep talking about what's in it.
Specifically, you guys can say there, then you can name. Yeah. It's one of you hyphenated.
You wanna take that stuff back to room one?
You can say like buttery crackers
not blue.
Yeah. Alright, you guys can say
The cookie's not blue.
Because the sample you gave me, don't work. I have to color it with every
that
other.
shaped.
It is baked. Let me see.
Okay, let's go about 10 more seconds if you guys are good, okay? 10, 15 seconds or so.
All right. How much time is that? Bye.
Okay, good job. Alexis, thank you.
Can we eat it after?
I'll get you guys some.
Oh, we can eat.
So what you doing this weekend?
Can I have it all? Can I have it? Can I have all the good ones?
It doesn't matter, as long as I know. Yes.
We have to write all our names. You just said. Oh my god. We have to write our names. That's mean.
Okay, is every group complete yet? Okay, every group's complete? Now we can just talk about it real quick. Okay? So the goal of this game is for us as a class to be able to understand through adjectives what the object is. Okay? So let's talk about this. Well, you guys already know probably what's in it, right? Cookies, right? There's three kinds. We got Oreos, Chips Ahoy, and the Nutter Butters, right? There's three kinds. So through these descriptions, let's figure out what's what. Okay? So Alexia's group says it's hard. What is that? Scaly, bumpy, peanut. With that peanut shaped, you guys already know what it is. What is it? Nutter Butters. Okay, good. Great job. Let's go on to the next. Okay, same thing. All I gotta say about this one, this is the group that was with Samantha's. Okay? They put, the easiest thing to put is they put peanut shaped. What does that tell you automatically? Okay, good job. Okay, Allison's, they put small, round, sweet, baked, crunchy. Does that give a good description through adjectives? Okay, so what do you guys think theirs was? See, that's what's tricky, right? That's why with adjectives we got to make sure we describe as much as we can, okay? So that's description through adjectives. But that was good. Okay, what did you guys have, Allison?
Chips Ahoy.
Chips Ahoy. Okay. Alexis. So you guys said blue, tasty, smells chocolatey, rough, brown, and plastic. Okay? So what do we think that was?
Chips Ahoy.
Was it Chips Ahoy? Great job. Jaden's group. Okay, so we had small, delicious, black, round, crunchy, creamy, white filling, rough filling, sweet, and that's the main stuff. Okay, that white filling gave it away, right? Great job. Adams. Adam put rough, bumpy, tasty. He put crunchy, loud. What is that, loud? Loud? I guess it has a voice. And sweet. Okay, so what do we think that is?
Chips Ahoy.
Chips Ahoy. Was it Chips Ahoy? Okay, good job. And last but not least, Habiba, Landon, Jaskaran, and Kaylee. They put delectable, small, round, creamy, chocolatey, crunchy, light, white,
Oh, that's
and
good.
black. So what do we have?
Oreos.
Oreos. Awesome job. Okay, so let's go back to the purpose of this, okay? So the purpose of this is just to use adjectives to describe what items you guys have, okay? So as I finish and as we get ready to die down, what I want you guys to do is last thing. This is going to be pretty much the last thing. So you guys are going to write, all get a piece of paper. You guys are going to draw your dream dessert, okay? You guys are going to draw your dream dessert, and you guys are going to write adjectives with, of course, sentences using adjectives to describe your dessert, okay? So that'll be the last little bit. So everybody, whoever's paper monitors or whoever does the papers, you guys can pass out papers, and that'll be the last thing. Okay?
It's about to be.
What's up? Yeah, go ahead. You guys are going to just write about what you guys would like as your dream dessert, okay? You guys can draw it, but it doesn't have to be colored or nothing spectacular. Just give me a brief Just give me a brief drawing, okay? Black and white, it's fine. You guys draw with your pencil, that's awesome. Thank you
Someone
guys.
give me a pencil, cause I'll just use blue marker.
You're having trouble with it. What did it go?
Draw 3 pictures. It only has to be like 3-4 sentences. It doesn't have to be extreme. So you guys just use adjectives to describe your dream dessert.
Bye.
Bye, Miss Anne.
My dream dessert.
We'll take about 2 minutes and then we'll be good, okay? So write your name, go ahead and draw your picture, and then describe your picture using adjectives of your dream dessert. Yes.
Can I write the adjectives on the back of the paper?
Yes, you may. And remember, you guys can use multiple types of adjectives, okay? You guys can tell me how much of what you guys want on your dessert, okay? If I want 100 stacked cookies on something else, I can do that, okay? So explain. And remember, adjectives, dude, remember we're talking about what kind, which ones, and how many when referring to just basic adjectives. And if you guys have any questions about spelling or any questions about anything, you guys can ask, okay? Which best you write sentences for adjectives, okay? Just real quick, you don't have to make a huge sentences. My dream cookie would have, my dream dessert would have, blah, 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 blah. Okay. At the end, just trade this off, you guys will collect this, okay? So guys, at the end of class, we're gonna collect them, so great job. We will turn those in, and that'll be it. So great job today, guys, on allowing me to present with you guys' class, and I thank you guys for the opportunity to be here. So in closing, just great job today, great job describing adjectives, great job working as a group team, and hope you guys enjoy the cookies. So thank you guys.